Hi, my name is David from Tovarna Tech, and today I'll be taking you on a walkthrough of experience we've developed in cooperation with Technology Park of Ljubljana and Joseph Stefan Institute and the ICGEB of Trieste. So, let's begin our tour. Here we are in a virtually recreated lab featuring some of the actual equipment from ICGEB. This equipment has been 3D scanned by us and represents a fine sort of a gamification addition to our experience. So we've included a lot of data. We've really aimed for the high fidelity representation of the work that's being done in the actual labs. Well, let's now begin the robotic procedure. And the tray goes to a PCR machine. Okay. That's visually pretty much the first room, so let's move on to Welcome to the chip environment. Right now we are in silico. We are virtually inside a circuit board, and in this environment we're gonna take a look at how machine learning looks like in a virtual reality environment. This, I believe, is the first demonstration of this kind. So let's take the compound screen and insert it into our servers and observe the creation of a random forest. A mathematical concept that we've aimed to recreate not only visually, not only three-dimensionally, but in virtual reality itself, which could be argued is the fourth dimension. So, now that the random forest is being created, let's take a look. Okay, the counter has reached 95%, so the quality of the random forest is now sufficient for the next phase. These tablets right here represent the molecule databases. Perhaps we should include one that's very popular in recent months. By the way, the remdesivir was created, his effects, his possible effects were discovered using a process not unlike this one. So, now that we've got a random forest created, let's put the entire PubChem library through a random forest. Each molecule goes through the entire forest where the effects are analyzed. And when the molecule comes out, we'll have a far broader picture of its effects. Oh, look, here are our molecules. The results are here. Now we know much more about each molecule. Let's not lose anyone. Come on, go to the server. Okay, we are really excited about this room. And here we have our select drug candidates. The three molecules that we presume, or couple of molecules that are looking most promising as the drug candidates. Okay, this is the room most enjoyed by the younger audience who is yet to enter science. And the goal of this room, with perfectly functioning physics, is to find the correct molecule for each ailment or for its effect. So we've got three cubes with which we can interact with and observe the high fidelity images from the processes. So let's go about finding the right pair. No, this one is not it. How about you? Are you the right pair? Oh, no. Then it should be here. We are in a hospital environment where our patient is awaiting his newly created treatment. When we get closer, he sort of disappears, so we can focus on his heart with which we can interact. So let's use the cures that have been developed. This one starts to regrow the blood vessels. You see, the formation of new blood vessels is increasing, and this one will heal the fibrotic tissue. You see, fibrotic tissue is disappearing. Now we just have to restore the proper heart cell count. The visible effect of this is the heart beating faster, well, normal, again. This has been the simulation. Thank you for your attention, and goodbye.